Well, it's official. It's happening. Just behind here, that's the airport in Sydney. I'm about to go to Brazil. Spend a few months with indigenous tribes there. This time taking a group with me. I'm looking forward for all the adventures, all the growth, the new songs, the learning, respect, understanding, the deep understanding that can come from this embodied experience. Well, this is the beginning of the journey. I'm setting sail towards the Amazon jungle with the intention of knowing more about myself, connecting with the medicines that comes all the way from these sacred lineages. And I am taking a group with me. Let's see how it goes. Beyond Sounds is online. The program is fully automated. There are amazing lessons, 3 months of beautiful insights and medicine songs and deeper understanding about music in a relationship with your creative expression. Yeah, it's there. I have been working hard to make that available for everyone. So take a look. It's beyondsounds.school. It is such a beautiful place. You kind of have a forest inside of the airport. It is impressive. Looks like a waterfall coming from the wall. I'm going with the Qatar this time. It is very comfortable and hopefully I will not have any trouble with that. Second stop is São Paulo. São Paulo is a contrast with everything that I have been experiencing in my life. It's a megalopoly. It is basically the population of Australia in a state. Imagine like a whole country like Australia in a state. So I love exploring these different corners of these cities. The religiosity, the spirituality has been around my life since I was born. And the other thing that is pretty much in my blood is culture and art. So every time I go to a city, I try to go into the museums, see what is there. And as a Brazilian, I couldn't resist to visit my family and catch up with my mom. This is Lenini. Lenini is one of my favorite artists. He changed my way of playing guitar. He changed the way that many people play the guitar in Brazil. He's a percussionist and plays the guitar. Just beside him you have Mark Suzano and Carlos Malta. What a crew, you know. And they're playing an album called Olho de Peixe, which is an album that I studied when I was a teenager, just trying to track and taking all the songs and how they play and the rhythm, structure and the chords. Oh, yeah, it was a lot. I love it. It was beautiful to catch up with Mama. Another thing that I really like about Brazil are the markets. The abundance of the fruits and the vegetables that you can find in this country, and colors and shapes and flavors. It is really cool. It's a blessing from Pachamama to have this all around. And now, next stop is Acre. Bom dia. Good morning. We're just waiting for the flights to officially set sail into the heart of the Amazon jungle. This crew that is going with me is going to be spending 50 days there with the guys from Flor da Mata. It's a beautiful family. Excited to bring some music, new songs, to learn more about the relationship with nature. It was the first time that I that I experienced the absence of drama in a community environment. That frequency was just not there. They were supportive, they were respectful, very, very generous in everything that they were doing and offering to the community, to everybody that was there as well. Yeah, hopefully I can get some sleep when I arrive there. So there is a few of us come to this journey, embarking from Rio Branco all the way to Jordão. Jordão is the closest city that you can get if you want to go to the Huni Kuin Tribe. I've been doing this trip for this past 3 years, and every time I arrive there, I feel like home. The way that they receive people from outside is so generous. They offer you everything that they have. They offer you food. They take care of you with so much joy and love. The Huni Kuin people are one of the most generous people that I ever met in my life. And their song line is fantastic. But to get there, we need to jump into the boat. A few years ago, they need some boats. This beautiful man here, Yawanawá, and we managed to get this boat for him. And now this boat is being officially used to take people that are going to be going there to meet the village, the Flor da Mata village. Falando sobre o barco, Chay.
Valeu, irmão. Gratidão aí a todos. Estamos aqui no barco já. E sinto muito feliz e grato também. E agora a gente vai partir diretamente para Flor da Mata. Só alegria.
Só alegria. Well, this adventure is happening in the dry season, which means that there's not much rain. So every 5 minutes you have to get out of the boat and push. It feels like a rite of passage to have to really put an effort to be able to get there. To get out of the boat and push again and push again. And this goes all day long. After about 6 to 8 hours of an amazing landscape and a lot of energy, we arrive in Flor da Mata.
Aqui, foi ali do outro lado, ó. Do outro lado, quando a gente iniciou a aldeia ali, que tinha chuva lá e a gente tava lá.
Ah, sim. Que é do outro lado.
Sim, ali.
A nice thing that happened. Just before I left, Chai Chris, a friend of mine, he sent me a message saying that he had been there on Flor da Mata, and he had a bunch of pictures from those guys from years before. So it was really cool to go there and watch them pointing fingers to each other and remembering how it used to be. All those pictures were taken on the original village of Flor da Mata, which is on the other side of the river. Now it is open. To mark the arrival, they offer us to do some face painting. These designs that they're painting, these are called cano, and each of these designs have a different meaning. Some of them will connect with the tail of the monkey, the other one with the alligator, with the jaguar, with the anaconda, with the snake. There are many sacred animals for this tradition. And I know that we are just in the beginning of this journey, but it's not hard to feel the depth and the respect that these people have towards the forest and the nature that surrounds them. Hush, 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 hush.